Welcome to Shah Grammar High School. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। बच्चों, आप लोगों की छुट्टियां जारी हैं। छुट्टियों में आपने घूमने फिरने के साथ साथ होमवर्क असाइनमेंट भी किए होंगे। आपको जुलाई के असाइनमेंट में मुताल्ला पाकिस्तान पीएसटी का भी असाइनमेंट मिला था। आज हम पीएसटी के असाइनमेंट का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 डिस्कस करेंगे। ये हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है। शाह ग्रामर हाई स्कूल होमवर्क असाइनमेंट सब्जेक्ट पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ क्लास 10। ये आपकी बुक है। और बच्चों, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आपके पास write the main events from the formation of the Muslim League to the establishment of Pakistan। चंद इवेंट्स लिखने हैं, मशहूर इवेंट्स जो मुस्लिम लीग के क़याम से लेकर पाकिस्तान के क़याम तक होने वाले वाक़यात हैं, आपको वो लिखने थे। तो बच्चों, आइए इस क्वेश्चन का सलूशन हम देखते हैं। Write the main events from the formation of the Muslim League to the establishment of Pakistan। आंसर है बच्चों इसका, मूवमेंट for Pakistan was in progress since the establishment of Muslim League in 1906. It passed many critical stages. It received momentum and best after Lahore Resolution, Pakistan Resolution 1940। Number 1, Lahore Resolution 1940, Muslim League annual meeting held at Lahore in 1940. The Chief Minister of Bengal, A.K. Fazlul Haq, put forward a resolution called Lahore Resolution, was later called Pakistan Resolution। Second Cripps Mission, British government sent a mission headed by Sir Stafford Cripps, to India on 23rd March 1942. The mission discussed its proposals with Congress and Muslim League, but both Congress and Muslim League rejected the proposals. थर्ड है शिमला कॉन्फ्रेंस 1945. This conference started on 25th June 1945. Lord Wavell wanted to take 5 ministers from Muslims, 5 from Hindus, and 3 from other minorities. The Congress rejected the proposals and Quaid-e-Azam demanded general elections. All parties other than Congress supported the demand of the Quaid-e-Azam for the general elections in strengthened the Muslim League and made it very popular representative body of the Muslims in India. Number 4 point है election of 1945-1946. In December 1945, election of the Central Legislative Assembly were held. Muslim League won all the 30 Muslim seats. Congress won 57 out of 72 seats. In February 1946, provincial elections were held. Muslim League won 450 out of 495 Muslim seats, but due to the conspiracy of Congress and the Assembly was dissolved in 1946. Election were held again. Muslim League won all the seats from Sindh and formed its government. Congress formed coalition government in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The 3rd June Plan. Lord Mountbatten became the Viceroy of the subcontinent in March 1947. He failed to keep the subcontinent united and announced the separation of subcontinent, and power would be given to Pakistan by 14th August 1947. Sixth, the Indian Independence Bill 1947 to execute the 3rd June Plan. The British government passed the Indian Independence Bill on 16 July 1947. Quaid-e-Azam was appointed as the first Governor General of Pakistan. तो बच्चों, ये इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान तक के चंद मशहूर वाक़यात थे। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपकी समझ में आ गए होंगे। इन स्लाइड्स की मदद से अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लीजिए। अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।